So this is the practice panel. I've already got mine with my backing and batting on it. So we're ready to get started with quilting. Sure, I got my machine set up here. So I really like that they kind of work with the same theory. So if you're used to using our SpinFX templates, let me turn this around this way first. You're going to like using these because they're really easy to use. So we've got our needle down, we're got ourselves lined up. And then here we are going to go ahead and make our first rotation. Now again, you're going to go a little slower around those little jagged points there. Not really jagged, but they're a little pointy. There we go. So our first one. I'm going to stop right there. And you see the nice design that that makes. There we go. Let's take a look at it. There we go. Isn't that great? I think that's a great snowflake design. Absolutely love it. Very intricate, looks like a snowflake. My needle kind of where I want it. Get myself lined up here. Again, I'm going to use that horizontal line there to line up. So we've got it right here. This line right here. It's going to line up there. And then, of course, this line right here. Same way we did the other one. And we're going to do our 8 rotations. Now I always like to give an extra like little stitch or two right there and stop before I go around the corner again. Just helps give it a nice little point shape on it. And then we're going to go. Extra stitch or two there and come back around. And I'm going to slip down here because I need to not go too far. There we go. Flip this around. Do the same thing. See how easy it is to use? Super easy.